Everyone promised you that AI would save you time. They told you that if you just bought ChatGPT or subscribed to Midjourney or set up a Zapier account, your business would run itself. So, why are you working more hours than before? Here is the truth nobody on YouTube is telling you. Adding high-speed AI to a broken business process doesn't fix it. It just breaks things faster. Welcome to System Logic Labs. We don't do hype, we do engineering. This is where 90% of entrepreneurs fail. I call this the logic gap. On one side, you have the tools, the LLMs, the agents, the automation software. On the other side, you have the profit you want. But the bridge between them isn't software. It's architecture. Most people treat AI like a magic wand. They try to automate sales or automate content without defining the rules first. If you automate a chaotic workflow, you have just scaled chaos. You have automated your own confusion. I have spent my career fixing broken organizations, and the rule of thumb is always the same. First, you simplify. Then, you systematize. Only then do you automate. Before we write a single line of code or open a single AI agent, we must map the logic. The amateur builds Frankenstein automations. They tape things together until they break. The architect builds systems. A system has governance. It has error handling. It knows what to do when the AI gets it wrong. When you close the logic gap, you stop babysitting your business. You stop wondering if the bot replied to the customer. You know it did, because the architecture dictates it. In this channel, I am going to open the doors to the lab. I will show you the exact frameworks, the blueprints, and the logic layers we use to build autonomous empires. But only if you are ready to stop playing with toys and start building infrastructure. Subscribe to System Logic. The blueprints are here, the rest is up to you.